Hello, I am ManiManthan. Today I am going to share a new experiment with you. This experiment's name is water traveling. For this experiment, you will need 2 tissue papers, 3 glasses and a glass of colored water. Firstly, fold these tissue papers into half and then make it into one more half and one more. So totally you need to do 3 halves. Now after this you do the same to even this tissue. 1, 2 and 3. Yeah. Now take the glasses and put them in this way. Now I'll be pouring water in this jar. Now we need to wait for 1 hour to see water in this jar and even this. So the water travels the path. After 1 hour, let's see what happens. As you can see, after 1 hour, the water level was this and decreased to this. So the water travelled from these tissue papers to this glass and even this. The reason behind this is as this tissue paper absorbs this water and then transposes it to this. As you know, paper absorbs water very good. So when the water transports to this glass, this tissue paper absorbs it and then transposes to this. So this is the little reason behind this big mystery. Guys, it might take more than 1 hour, but mostly it took me 1 hour. It might take more than 1 hour. If you like this experiment, please like, share and subscribe.